Welcome to the enchanting island of Capri, a Mediterranean gem where nature's splendor, luxury, and timeless beauty converge to create a paradise that has captivated travelers for centuries. As you step onto this idyllic island, you'll be transported to a world of breathtaking landscapes, crystal clear waters, and the allure of La Dolce Vita. Capri, located in the Tyrrhenian Sea off the Sorrentine Peninsula in southern Italy, is renowned for its sheer natural beauty. The island's rugged coastline is adorned with dramatic cliffs, hidden grottos, and charming coves. One of the most iconic sights is the Faraglioni, a series of towering limestone sea stacks that rise dramatically from the azure waters. The island's landscape is a testament to the power of nature's artistry. The Gardens of Augustus, a botanical garden perched on a cliff, offers panoramic views of the sea and the famous Via Crup, a serpentine pathway that winds its way to the beach below. The lush vegetation, vibrant flowers, and scents of blooming lemon trees add to the island's sensory delight. Capri's allure extends to its picturesque towns, including the eponymous town of Capri and the charming village of Capri. These towns are a blend of sophistication and traditional charm. Narrow streets are lined with high-end boutiques, cozy cafes, and restaurants that serve fresh seafood and local delicacies. One of the most famous attractions on Capri is the Blue Grotto, Grotta Azzurra, a sea cave renowned for its ethereal blue waters. Explore this natural wonder by boat and be enchanted by the play of light and color within the cave. Capri has been a haven for artists, writers, and intellectuals for generations. It's easy to see why. The island's ethereal beauty and tranquil atmosphere inspire creativity and contemplation. The presence of luminaries like Axel Munthe and Pablo Neruda attests to its magnetic pull. As you explore Capri, you'll be reminded of the timeless allure of the Mediterranean, where natural wonders and human elegance coexist in perfect harmony. The island stands as a testament to the beauty of simplicity, where the sea and the sky merge seamlessly on the horizon. So, as you continue your journey through the island of Capri, let the spirit of this Mediterranean paradise inspire you to appreciate the beauty of the natural world, to savor the pleasures of life, and to remember that even in our modern era, there are places where time seems to stand still, inviting us to pause and embrace the art of living. What moments of tranquility and wonder will you discover on your own exploration of Capri?